Welcome to the new Teach On Mars Business Intelligence tool, where you can access real, deep dive analysis of your training data, so you can finally demonstrate genuine return on your learning investment. Home in quickly on key data that will help you answer the big questions about how your solution's performing. How are learners using your app? How much time are they spending on it? And how often do they come back? Reach the widest possible audience through your Teach On Mars wall thanks to our communication statistics. If you know which articles your learners like the most, and when they're reading them, you can optimize the timing and the content of what you publish for maximum impact. How many courses are your learners really working on? And how many are they actually completing? Now you'll have all the answers, which means you can reward your keenest learners and identify those that are less active and may need extra support. Track which resources your learners are consulting the most to see which content you need to promote and how to build engaging learning opportunities for your entire community. Business Intelligence will open up a whole new range of analysis options. Compare learning data over precise periods, filter that data using multiple criteria simultaneously, then roll all of that up into your organization's high-level management dashboards. And to get you up and running in record time, Teach On Mars can provide you with pre-formatted dashboard templates. With Business Intelligence from Teach On Mars, make your training solution work better than ever and really prove how much value it's creating in your organization.